that the 65536 is bytes, which is nothing as what? The size of the port number. So you know all of you the port number which is to be taken on the transport layer. So whenever we send the data through the any applications, so we require the port number. So that port, what are the size, which is to be nothing as what? 65536. That is a byte size we have to taken from the source side as well as a destination sites. So yes, that is about the header which is to be included the source port number, and destination port number which is to be size nothing as 16 bits. So the next, what are the field to be on there, nothing as the sequence number. So all of you know about the sequence number. So the sequence is nothing as what? uh, we know that yes, key suppose we have collected the data from the application layer. Okay, so the data is nothing as in the format of what? A segment. So segment is nothing as what? The collection of that bytes. So nothing as what? These are the bytes. So that the red is the lines which is to be included as a bytes. So that we call as that the area nothing as what? A segments. That is what? The segments. So that the segments they consider on there, and that is the size is nothing as what? A 32 bit. So 32 bit is nothing as what? 2 raised to 32. So how many bits which is to be on there, we have to take on the size of there. Okay, then right now we have the next that part which is what? The acknowledgement number. So the acknowledgement nothing as what? So already know about that. So whenever we send the data to the destinations, so data once you reach that the send some acknowledgement to you is nothing as what? This is the acknowledgement, and that acknowledgement number size is nothing as what? Again the 32 bit. So that mention is there, the 32 bit. Okay, so the problem is what? Right now suppose according to diagram. Okay, so right now here the diagram, so we again draw this one. So this one, suppose the segments 1 2 3 4, what are the segments, and we consider the segments bytes. So suppose that the segments number or the byte number is 1000, and that byte number is nothing as what? 1005. Okay, so once the send that the segments from 1001 to 1005, the receiver has received. Okay, then send the acknowledgement in the form of what they sending the acknowledgement here is nothing as what? 1006. Okay, so what they tell that if a data which is to be sent, okay, whatever the next byte number nothing as what? Your the acknowledgement number. Okay, so I think you all of you got from them, and already we discussed that point in the theory lectures in the March. Okay, so whatever the next of the byte number nothing as what? The acknowledgement number, or we can also call as a whatever the data received we have plus one is nothing as what? This is the acknowledgement number. Okay, so right now we are come to here what? Next field is nothing as what? H length, or we call as a header length. That is again that the size is what? 4 bits. So 4 bit is nothing as what? We consider that the header length is nothing as 4 bits. We have to take on the scale of there. Okay, so again we come to diagram on there. Okay, so consider here. Okay, whatever the bits we have to take on, suppose I take the bits is suppose 12 bits. Okay, those we have to take on in the header length that the scale is nothing as 4. So that the total is what? 48 byte we have to take on there. So minimum of the header length on that the field in TCP header format is nothing as what? 20 to 60 byte. Okay, kitna? 20 to 60 byte. If below than this 20, then we are not send the header to the destination side on the destination transport layer. Okay, if in between the 20 to 60 or above the 20 to 60, that is also we can send the data to the destination side with the headers. Okay, So find out. Okay, so suppose in header length we consider the size in taken in that way. Suppose I take the size is 1000. We have to take on the header length is what, 1000. So it is what, 1248. So 8 into 4 is nothing as what, 32 bits. So it is valid. Okay, and we can send the data with header to the destination side. But if suppose, okay, if suppose I take the data 0100, okay, so what, the 4 and the scale is what, 4. So the what the size of that, 16. So 16 byte which is to be not consider whenever they send the data from source to destination, because of what, why, we have to set, or we have to, or it should be a 20 to 60 in between the your header size which is to be included on there. If it is there, then we can send the data to the destination side. Okay, so this is about the header length. In header length we have to consider actually the scale, the scale of 4. Okay, then right now the next field is what, reserved bits. So the future purpose we have to take on the reserved bits, which is size what, a 6 bytes. Okay, then that the small fields are there, that is the first field is what, nothing as the urgent bit. Okay, so again the question is what, the urgent bit, that is nothing as the flag. Okay, so suppose I send some data to destinations with the TCP header format, and the data which is suppose we have to send to the destination, but some data which is not sent, but we have to urgent that particular data. So that time we have to set the urgent data, a particular data, or urgent flag we have to set the particular data, and we have to send that the urgent to a particular data. Okay, using for the use of the urgent field there. Okay, it means we can also told as what, कि हमारे पास बहुत सारा डेटा है और उस डेटा को मैंने सेंड किया, बट कुछ डेटा मेरा गया नहीं है, तो उस वाले डेटा को अगर मुझे सेंड करना है तो वहाँ पे मैं अर्जेंट फ्लैग लगा के उस डेटा को, उस पर्टिकुलर डेटा को मैं सेंड कर सकता हूँ. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर यूज फॉर द अर्जेंट फ्लैग ऑन देयर. Then nothing else. The another is what, the acknowledgement. Right now we are the confused. You are the confused that, sir, already we are used the acknowledgement number, but right now here again we have to take on the acknowledgement flag. So that is the difference between that. What here is what, the acknowledgement flag, and acknowledgement number is what, whatever the data we have to send, that we are providing the numbers. Okay, so the according to diagram. Okay, so we go to the diagram here. Okay, here what, that is the bytes. Okay, this is the segment and inside the bytes. So suppose I send that this one segments 1001. Okay, and that the 1001 data we have to send, and we got the, or we have to last segments from that, we have to start that this is the last byte, that the number is 1001, and we got the acknowledgement, so 1002. Okay, so this is what we have to provide the number. Okay, but the numbers once you send, okay, so that the number along with the acknowledgement flag. Okay, acknowledgement flag, that is a difference between them. Okay, so this is the difference between them, acknowledgement flag and acknowledgement number. So that is the next part is what, the push. Okay, so push is nothing as what, sometimes what happen whenever we send the data, okay, to destination side. So the some policies are there, key first of all you fill the queue. Okay, so both the side are the queue, sender and receiver. Once you fill the queue, then the from the queue they send the data to the particular applications. Okay, so sometimes that policy which is to be required, sometimes the policy is what, once the data which is to become on the queue, okay, and we pass to the applications, so that the push which is to be same on there. Okay, so don't be follow that policy, whatever the data which is to become on the that the queue, immediately you are to send to the applications. Okay, That's why we use the push flag on there. Then the reset, the reset, whatever the flush you want to data or we want to reset the data, that is the field which is to be required on there. Okay, the sync is nothing as what you want to establish the connection from source to destination, so that time the sync, the flag which is to be required. And finish is nothing as what you want to close the communication from source to destination or destination to source, that time the fin, that the flag we have to use. So the next field which is to be nothing as the window size. Okay, so already been seen that the three-way handshaking. Okay, in that three-way handshaking, once you send the data or once your connection is established, then what happen, they are published there also their window size. Okay, means okay, we go to the diagram and we seen that what happened. Okay, so here we come to here. Okay, so here the timing diagram, once you source, this is the source and this is the destination. Okay, once you source send the data to the destinations. Okay, so the data here and we got the acknowledgement. Okay, that particular data. So as well as once you source to send the destinations and we give the acknowledgement, as well as they are sending their window size also on there. Okay, so that is the window size which is to be published on there. So that the window size which is to be considered on here, and that is the size which is to be nothing as what, a 16 byte. So that is whatever the we earlier seen that the flags, they are the size which is nothing as the 111 byte. Okay, then the next field is what, a 16 bit, that is nothing as what, a checksum. So checksum, why is the checksum? Already we know that the checksum which is used for the whatever the data which is to be sent from source to destination or destination to source, the data which is to be correct or wrong, which is to be having the error or not, we have to find out out there. So due to that's why we use the checksum field on there, and that is the size which is to be nothing as the 16 byte. Okay, then we go to the next is urgent pointer. So sometimes what happen ki we have to send the data from to destination in the segment format. We have to send the data. Okay, but we don't require the particular data which is to be required on the destination is urgent. So we have to set right now the urgent data from byte to that byte. Okay, so what the urgent pointer, how to set the urgent pointer, we have to see using the diagram. Okay, see here, this is the segment. Okay, this is the byte. Okay, so I decide from that point to that point we have to bytes to the urgent, so that bytes we have to set the urgent pointer, and through that urgent pointer we can send the data to the destination urgently to the destination site. Okay, so this is about the urgent pointer. And the next is nothing as the option and padding. Okay, so let's see here the option and